Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to install this Protek RC brushless high voltage servo. This is the Black Label Ultra High Torque PTK 1K TBL, so this is the 1K TBL. See if I can focus in on that for you guys. I'll get it out of the package here in a second. The rating here is, like I said before, it's 1,080 ounces per inch. It is a 25 tooth spline. We're going to go ahead and use this. This is actually for a Traxxas Max, but they work in the X Max as well. It is a GPM. This is the GPM servo mount. This is aluminum. This is for installing the smaller servo upgrades into your Traxxas X Max or your Max. Alright, so we're just going to do a little test before we take it out. I just want to show you guys the strength of the stock servo, and then once we get this servo in, I'll show you that again. So that's actually not bad. We're not on the carpet. It actually feels pretty good. A little slow. Alright, so first thing you're going to do, guys, is you're going to take off your skid plate. That's going to be your, you're going to have to take off all these bolts. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Just go ahead and remove this. So I forgot one step. You're going to want to go ahead and remove your servo box so you can unhook your servo from the receiver. Okay, so we got it unplugged. You're going to go ahead and you're just going to feed it back through. We flip the truck back over. Now you're just going to go ahead and remove these 3 screws. Alright guys, so after you got your wires undone, your servo box, your receiver box taken apart, you're going to go ahead and you're going to undo these 2 screws right here. That way you can get your servo horn off the servo. Get yourself 2mm. Get in there lefty loosey, righty tighty. You can get your servo horn off. Alright guys, so to make things even easier, we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove the whole entire servo arm from the truck. That way we can screw the servo horn directly to the arm, and then we'll go ahead and screw it back together. Alright guys, so check it out. I found a servo horn in my tray. It is actually an Exotech. It is the proper height because you need to clear the drive shaft on the throw, and it is the correct setback on the bell crank, I believe you call it, and should be good to go. So that is, again, that's an Exotech 25 tooth. That's what she looks like. So you don't have to use your stock servo horn when you get a new servo. Just need this mount right here. You'd be good to go. So go ahead, install it back in the truck just like you took it out. Just do it all in reverse. And you're going to want to make sure that this is all centered up. I'm assuming you know how to do all that. So we'll put it back in the truck and we'll give it a test in the dirt. So we got the servo centered up. You can hear the fans on. So you definitely want to make sure you get your truck turned on, get it centered up, and then you go ahead and screw your servo horn down. And then you're going to be ready to go ahead and just install it back into the truck. Make sure you put this piece on if you don't want to lose it. And then go ahead and just slide that under, screw that back in, put your 3 screws back in there, put your skid plate on, and we'll go flip it back over. Alright guys, here we are. We got her out in the dirt. We're going to turn her on and test out this servo, see how the horn does. Can't really see it in there anymore, but anyways, we are hooked up with AS, running max amps 6500 mAh batteries, stock everything, so let's get it. We got the TSM turned all the way down. We recalibrated the inclometer, and we basically just turned it off right here on the multi-function knob. Tried that before we recalibrated it, but it was too high, so let's try it out. All right, check it out, guys. Here we go. Look at the power of this bad boy. No problems. It's pretty fast. It was like 0.11 per second. Never been out here before, so we'll just kind of take it easy. It's pretty icy out. Woo! All right. Oh, look at that. There is a jump right there. So this will be the test, guys, if we can get this servo to hold up. See if we can clear that. Oh, I did it. There was its first crash, guys. We rolled her over. I think we're gonna have to end the video, guys. The servo is holding up awesome. Let's go ahead and check the motor temps, see what she feels like, and we're gonna take her home. We scratched it up. Let's feel it. So far, it feels nice and cool, guys. All right, so that's gonna have to end the video, guys. Please do leave me a like, leave me a subscribe. Check out this servo. I'll get you the link in the description below, and I will talk to you guys later. Whoosh.